In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear sway bar links on this Audi A4. You're going to find this located in the rear suspension behind the tire. Let's get into it. Using an 18mm wrench, we're going to just go right in between the link and the bar, and then a 16mm wrench. Loosen up the bolt. I'm just switching to a ratchet wrench just because it's easier. And take that bolt out. There's the bolt. Using a 13mm socket, take these two bolts off. You can grab the link, and it comes right out. Take the new link, slide it in sideways. Might have to twist it a little bit. Get the two bolts started. I'll snug these down. And torque these to 18 foot-pounds. Now we'll get the bolt lined up. If you have to adjust the link just so it goes in the right position in the bar, you can move it around a little bit. Pull the bar down a little. Get that lined up. We can use a ratchet and a socket. $16mm socket. All right, that's snug. And tighten that down. If you can get a torque wrench in there, you want to torque that bolt to 33 foot-pounds. It's a little tight in there. Do the best you can.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.